Hello friends, welcome back. Myself Anil Latkar. I hope you are fine and enjoying videos. Dear students, in the last class we talk about the many things. That is the how to find the place value and how to find the expanded form. Okay? In the last class we already discussed about that. But in this class, dear students, today we are going to talk about the comparing and ordering large numbers. Okay, so what are the large numbers and how to compare the large numbers? In this class we are going to talk about these important things. Okay, these things are very easy, dear students. If you observe here, suppose I will write here one example like this: 13,26,256. Suppose this is one number and next number I will write here 25,296. Okay, so which one is greater, dear friends? Look at here: ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Here it is at this one is at the 10 lakhs position. And what about these two? Ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000 and 10,000. So this 2 is at the thousands place. So which one is greater? 10 lakh is greater than the 10,000. So dear friends, I can write here like this: 13,26,256 is greater than 25,296. So this is all about the comparison of two numbers. Dear students, also you have to understand one thing that is very important. We use some notations or symbols like this: greater, small and equal. So how many symbols are there, dear students? Only 3 symbols are there, and we use such a symbols to compare the larger numbers. Okay, and to write it in the ascending order or descending order also, because ordering means what, dear friends? Ordering means we have two types of order. First one is the ascending, which will be right in the form of smallest to greatest, and second one is the descending order, which can be right in the form of from greatest number to smallest number. So this is all about the ordering large numbers. Dear friends, here we have talked about the first example of the large number. Okay, then how to compare the number. Suppose I have one another example like this. Look at here. Okay, I will write here 13,256 and 2,356. Suppose I have write here two large numbers, and in these two large numbers, how to compare the numbers? How to compare the numbers? Okay, so which one is greater? So to decide the greater number, we have to find out the place value of this number. Okay, these two numbers. Once if you find out the place value of these numbers, then you can decide which one is the greater. So let's find that it's a ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, and it one is the it's a thousands place and it is the 10,000s place. Okay, so this one is at the 10,000s place, and what about these two? Ones, tens, hundreds and thousand. So this 2 is at the thousands place and this one is at the 10,000s place. So which one is greater, dear friends? 10,000 is greater than 1,000. So definitely we can say that this 13,256 is greater than 2,356. So this is how I use this symbol over here to compare these two numbers, and here we have used this symbol to show that this number is greater than this number. Okay, also we can write that like this. Dear friends, look at here. I can write it like this also: 2,356 is less than 13,256. Can I write it like this? Now I use here a less than symbol. Which one is less? 2,356 is less than 13,256. So this is all the way to express and which one is the greater or which one is the smaller and which one is the equal. Okay, so this is all about the larger number, dear students. So let's talk about the some more examples. Okay, so this is all about the comparison. Okay, so let's talk about the another examples. So I am talking about the comparison. How many symbols are there? Greater, less and equal. These three symbols we use to compare the numbers. Suppose we have 13,25,200 and next number is also 13,25,200. So what about this? How will you compare these numbers? So you will use this notation or this symbol to compare this number. So 13,25,200 is equal to the 13,25,200. So I use here equal to this symbol. It is said to be equal to. Okay. So this is how, dear friends, we can compare the larger number. And what about ordering large numbers? How to order the large numbers? Dear friends, we will have one more example for the ordering large number. Okay, ordering large number. So let's write here some more numbers. I will write here 3,560, 96 suppose, and 5,326, and next one 1,259, and next number is 6,125. Suppose I have these numbers first, second, third, fourth. Now I have 4 large numbers. So how to order these numbers? Suppose I want to order this with the descending numbers, means greatest to smallest, greatest to smallest. So which one is the greatest? Which one is the greatest? Here it is the 3,000, here it is the 5,000, it one is the 1,000, and here it is the 6,000. So 6,000, this place value of 6 is 6,000. So 6,125 is greater than which number? Then which number? Then 5,326. And this 5,000 is greater than this number. So this 5,326 is greater than 3,596. And this 3,596, this number is greater than this one, like this, 1,259. So I write here in the order. So dear friends, these are large numbers which I have ordered here in the descending form. Okay, largest to smallest. And what about ascending numbers? If I must write it in the ascending form, then I have to write the smallest number first, like this. This one is the less than 3,596, and 3,596 is less than 5,326, and 5,326 is less than 6,125. So this is how we can write the ordering larger number. Okay, dear friends, and this is all about today. In the next class we will talk about the more concept, and thank you so much.